Welcome to AI Controller. Yesterday, the entire tech world stopped and watched one man walk onto a stage in San Jose, California. That man was Jensen Huang, CEO of Nvidia, the company that became the most valuable on Earth because of artificial intelligence. For 2.5 hours, he announced things that will change AI, robotics, and technology forever, and most people missed it. Today on AI Controller, we break down every major announcement from Nvidia GTC 2026, the most important tech event of the year. Stay till the end because the last announcement will genuinely shock you. First, who is Jensen Huang, and why does the entire AI industry stop to listen when he speaks? Jensen Huang co-founded Nvidia in 1993. Back then it was just a small company making graphics chips for video games. Today, Nvidia has a market cap of $4.45 trillion, making it the most valuable company on Earth. This happened because Nvidia chips originally built for gaming graphics turned out to be perfect for training AI. Every single major AI model you use today, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grok, was trained on Nvidia chips. OpenAI runs on Nvidia. Google runs on Nvidia. Meta runs on Nvidia. Microsoft runs on Nvidia. They all need Jensen Huang. That is why when Jensen walks on stage at GTC wearing his trademark black leather jacket, the entire industry pays attention. GTC stands for GPU Technology Conference. This year, 30,000 people attended in person from 190 countries around the world. 450 companies sponsored the event, including AWS, Google, IBM, and Microsoft. Now the number that made every investor on Earth sit up. Nvidia expects $1 trillion in chip orders through 2027. Let me say that again. $1 trillion in chip orders for AI by the end of next year. To understand how big this is, Nvidia's entire revenue last year was $215 billion, which was already a record. Now they are projecting nearly 5 times that amount in just 2 years. This is being driven by one thing: the explosion of agentic AI. These are AI systems that work completely autonomously without any human input. Jensen said the number of tokens being generated has gone exponential. Every company is now running AI agents that work around the clock, and every agent needs chips to run. Nvidia makes the chips. Jensen described this as a new industrial revolution. AI is no longer just a product, it is essential infrastructure, exactly like electricity. The chips powering this trillion-dollar opportunity are the new Blackwell and the brand new Vera Rubin architecture, which is already in production and already driving orders at massive scale. Now here is the announcement that surprised even the most experienced AI watchers in the room. Jensen said the ChatGPT moment of self-driving cars has arrived right now in 2026. Nvidia announced 4 brand new Robotaxi partnerships with companies building fully autonomous self-driving vehicles. The 4 new partners are BYD, the world's largest electric vehicle maker, Hyundai, Nissan, and Geely. And then the partnership that made everyone gasp: Nvidia partnered with Uber. Nvidia's autonomous driving platform will be integrated directly into Uber's app and fleet network. Think about what this means. You open Uber, you book a ride, and a fully autonomous AI-powered car picks you up. No driver. No human behind the wheel. An Nvidia-powered AI system driving you from point A to point B. These partnerships are signed. The cars are being built right now. Jensen called this the beginning of the physical AI era, where AI stops living only in computers and moves into the real world. Speaking of physical AI, Jensen then did something nobody expected. He walked off stage and came back with a robot. Not just any robot. It was Olaf, the beloved snowman character from Disney Frozen. Walking, talking, and smiling on stage. The Olaf robot was trained entirely inside an Nvidia simulation of virtual world built with Nvidia software and jointly developed with Disney Research. This was a demonstration of physical AI where robots learn in simulation and then operate perfectly in the real world. Jensen said he cannot think of a single company building robots that is not currently working with Nvidia. Boston Dynamics uses Nvidia. Tesla Optimus uses Nvidia. Figure AI uses Nvidia. All of them. Nvidia also announced NemoClaw, an open-source platform for building autonomous AI agents that run permanently, thinking, planning, and acting 24 hours a day without ever stopping. Jensen then outlined what he called the 5-layer cake of artificial intelligence. Layer 1 chips and accelerated computing. Layer 2 AI infrastructure and factories. Layer 3 AI models and software. Layer 4 agentic AI applications. Layer 5 Physical AI and Robotics. Nvidia wants to own all 5 layers. Jensen introduced the concept of AI factories, dedicated facilities that produce intelligence, just like power plants produce electricity. Just like every country has power plants, Jensen predicts every country will soon have AI factories. Nvidia announced a new gigawatt-scale partnership with Thinking Machines Lab, one of the largest infrastructure deals in history. For context, 1 gigawatt of power can supply electricity to 700,000 homes simultaneously. This is the scale of AI infrastructure being built right now in 2026. So what does all of this mean for you personally? Impact 1 is your job. Morgan Stanley warned this week that most of the world is not ready for what is coming. The agentic AI that Nvidia is powering will work autonomously in offices, factories, hospitals, and everywhere humans work today. Impact 2 is your transportation. Robotaxis are no longer a future concept. Within 2 to 3 years, Uber rides in major cities could be fully driverless, powered by Nvidia AI systems. Impact 3 is the economy. $1 trillion flowing into AI chips alone will create new industries, new jobs, and new companies that do not exist yet. Impact 4 is national power. Jensen said every nation will build AI, and the countries that do not will fall behind permanently. China, USA, Europe, and the Middle East are all now racing to build AI infrastructure at national scale. Nvidia GTC 2026 was not just a product launch. It was a statement about the future of human civilization in the age of artificial intelligence. $1 trillion in chips. Self-driving cars arriving now. Robots trained in virtual worlds walking onto real stages. Always on AI agents that never stop working. AI factories being built as national infrastructure. This is 2026, and this is happening right now. If this video gave you value, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this content. Subscribe to AI Controller for daily AI news and updates. Comment below and tell me which announcement surprised you the most. See you tomorrow.